Stop doing planks wrong, because this one mistake could be killing your core gains without you even realizing it. Planks look simple, but most people do them completely wrong. And when your form is off, you're not strengthening your core, you're stressing your lower back, shoulders, and neck. Mistake 1. Sagging hips. When your hips drop, your core turns off and your lower back takes over. Mistake 2. Lifting your hips too high. This removes tension from your abs and makes the plank useless. Mistake 3. Holding your breath. Breathing is essential for core activation. Slow, controlled breaths keep your abs engaged. Mistake 4. Looking forward instead of down. This strains your neck and throws your posture off. Mistake 5. Loose glutes. If your glutes aren't tight, your core can't work properly. Mistake 6. Elbows placed too far forward. Your shoulders should be stacked directly over your elbows. Mistake 7. Rushing the timer. Quality matters more than duration. Mistake 8. Ignoring full body tension. A plank is a total body exercise, not just abs. Mistake 9. Doing planks every day without rest. Muscles grow during recovery. Mistake 10. Never progressing. Add movement, time, or resistance to keep improving. Fix these mistakes and your planks will finally build real core strength, stability, and power. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all so you never miss a new motivational video.